Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Omega X Swatch MoonSwatch Mission to Jupiter, along with a brand new matching strap. We'll unbox everything, take a closer look at the watch, and see how it looks with the upgraded strap. So, let's get started. First, let's take a look at the packaging. On the front, you can see the Omega X Swatch collaboration branding, along with the warning text on the side. On the back of the box, there are various labels, recycling symbols, and product information. Opening the first package, we have the Mission to Jupiter MoonSwatch. The main color theme is a beautiful brown tone with orange accents. Inside the box, you'll find information about Jupiter, including some interesting facts and details about the planet. On the back of the box, you can see the complete MoonSwatch collection, including Mission to Mars, Mission to the Sun, Mission to Mercury, Mission to Venus, Mission to Earth, Mission to Neptune, and many more. That's pretty much everything we can see from the outer packaging, so let's continue with the unboxing. Here we have the main presentation box featuring the Omega X Swatch collaboration logo. Wow, the opening experience is actually very impressive. Before we get to the watch, let's check out what's included inside. We have the instruction manuals and paperwork, along with a colorful booklet showcasing the entire MoonSwatch collection. You can see all the different models, including Mission to Neptune, Mission to Uranus, Mission to Pluto, Mission to Mercury, Mission to Venus, Mission to Earth, Mission to Mars, and of course, the Mission to Jupiter that we're reviewing today. I also have the original purchase receipt included in the box. Now, let's get to the star of the show, the watch itself. Here it is, the Omega X Swatch Mission to Jupiter. The watch comes fitted with a Velcro strap. On the strap, you can see the Speedmaster and Mission to Jupiter branding. The overall color combination is excellent, with a warm brown case and striking orange accents. I'll remove this protective cover so we can get a better look. On the dial, you'll find the Swatch and Omega logos, and the watch has a really unique appearance. Turning it over, we can see the engraved case back featuring the image of Jupiter, along with various model details and branding. One interesting feature is that the battery can be replaced through the battery compartment integrated into the Jupiter planet design on the back. The watch uses Swatch's bioceramic material. It feels lightweight yet solid in hand, and definitely more substantial than many replicas have handled before. The crystal has a nice domed shape, which gives the watch a vintage-inspired look. Now let's talk about the chronograph functions. The sub-dial at the lower left displays the running seconds. The other sub-dials handle the chronograph functions, while the orange central hand acts as the chronograph seconds hand. When you press the upper pusher, the chronograph starts running. Press it again to stop it. To reset it back to 0, simply press the lower pusher. Overall, I think this watch looks fantastic. The brown and orange color combination works perfectly together, and the Jupiter-themed details make it stand out from the rest of the collection. As for long-term durability, we'll have to wait and see. Some users have shared mixed opinions about the build quality, but based on my first impressions, I'm really happy with it. Now let's move on to the new strap. I chose the orange version because it perfectly matches the orange accents on the Mission to Jupiter dial. Along with the strap, Swatch provides a strap-changing tool. The strap itself features a moon surface pattern on the underside, along with MoonSwatch branding and Omega Speedmaster logos. I went with the medium size, although you can also choose extra small, small, large, or extra large depending on your wrist size. The strap-changing tool even features Swatch branding, which is a nice little touch. Compared to the original strap, this one feels more premium and gives the watch a much sportier and more vibrant appearance. The new strap uses a quick-release spring bar system, which makes installation extremely easy. However, to remove the original strap, you'll need the included tool. Let's swap it over. Using the tool, simply press the spring bar from the side, and the original strap comes off quite easily. Honestly, the process is much simpler than I expected. Now let's install the new strap. Just line up the quick-release spring bar, slide it into place, and make sure it's securely locked. Always give it a gentle pull afterward to confirm it's properly attached. And there we go. Wow, that looks amazing. The orange strap completely transforms the watch and makes the orange accents on the dial stand out even more. It feels more comfortable than the original strap and gives the watch a much more premium look on the wrist. For me, the medium size works reasonably well, although I think a large or extra large might fit my wrist even better. As you can see, there's a slight gap, but overall it's still very comfortable. If you're planning to buy one of these straps, make sure to check the sizing chart carefully before ordering so you get the perfect fit. Overall, I'm really happy with this setup. The Mission to Jupiter already looks fantastic, but paired with the orange strap, it looks even better. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Mission to Jupiter and whether you prefer the original strap or this upgraded orange version. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more watch content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.